First type of your shift register is serial in serial out shift register. As we see, the serial input is given to the register and serial output is generated from the same. Okay, so that means you are just going to shift the 1 bit data at a time on a single line, and it produces the stored information on its output lies also in a serial form. Okay, so consider this diagram over here. The four flip-flops are given. FF0, FF1, FF2, FF3 is there. All are having a D flip-flop. Okay, D flip-flop is here. Clock signal is given to you for a step-by-step operation or a single step. So D flip-flop is there. So we know that the working of D flip-flop is the Q output is follows the D input. That means whatever the input is given, the output will be generated. Okay, same output is passed to the output side. So this is a 4-bit implemented D flip-flop having a 4 stages. So clock signal is given to you to processing the serial output. So this is your actual output and this is your complementary output. Okay, but we are going to consider only Q output over here. Okay, so what is the scenario? See over here, if we provide the 1010 as a serial input, if we provide the 1010 as a serial input and begin with the least significant bit, the register is initially clear. So first of all, from 0th clock pulse, all the shift registers are become 0. They are going to store the 0 values. Okay, for a first clock pulse, the 0 is put on the data where making the D is equal to 0 for FF0. So first of all, they are going to reset, and the first clock pulse is applied, FF0 is reset and the storing the 0 value. So next, see over here, this is a value for initial clock pulse. They are having a reset, all are going to reset, that is 000 is stored in all the 4 flip-flop. On the first stage, on the first clock pulse, the 0 from this 1010, see, 0 from this 1010, so this LSB bit is applied to FF0, LSB bit 0 is applied to over here. Then from second clock pulse, this 0 is forwarded to F1 and the next 1 is passing through the FF0. For third clock pulse, it will become 010, and for clock pulse, it will become 1010. So for initial 4 clock pulses, the input is going to stored, shifted towards the flip-flop and stored 1010 value in 4 separate flip-flop. After that, after that, from the fifth clock pulse, from the fifth clock pulse, this 0 is came out from this output side, and this 0 is applied to F0. Okay, because we want to get out this data from the flip flop in a serial manner. So we are just putting the 0 over here every clock pulses, and the one by one output is generated. So 0 at first of all take outside, फिर 1 on a 6 on a fifth clock pulse, फिर 6 and then 7 and then 8. At the 8 clock pulse, all the flip flops become 0, and the output is take place on a serial manner. Okay, so this is all about your serial in serial out CISO shift register. Okay, so this is how the clock pulses is given and output is generated. Thank you.